Welcome everyone, I'd like to show you how to easily pair your regular AirPods or AirPods Pro to your iPad Mini 5. So I'm in school right now, doing a bulk recording session, so if you appreciate that, make sure to smash like and subscribe. Leave me a comment letting you guys, let me know if you do school or not. And yeah, let's get started. So first things first, we just want to open up settings, and we want to go to Bluetooth settings. Once we're here, we want to open up the AirPods lid. And at the back, you see there's this white button. It's here, whether you have the regular AirPods or AirPods Pro, it's at the same spot. So just hold it down, and you're gonna see not your AirPods Pro, just tap on connect. And now your AirPods will connect to your iPad. So really, that's all there is to it. Although keep in mind, you just have to make sure, you can see, we just tap on the X right here. And if you're on Bluetooth settings, you're gonna see Alf's AirPods Pro, whatever AirPods Pro you have, and connected. And that means the process has worked successfully. So, short video, that's really all there is to it. Hopefully this video helped you out. Then make sure to smash like, subscribe if you're brand new. Don't forget, if you want to unpair your AirPods, just tap on forget this device. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye bye.